Block City Wars, Block City Wars, Block City Wars, Block City Wars. You can ride helicopters and stuff. The only free play I can do is just freaking missions, which is also stupid. Yo, bro, you in the hot city. I played this game for a while, so I know how to do this. Yeah. Come on, bro. Strap OG, dog. Hello, man. Where is he? Where is this old man? Yay! Give me your money. Can't stop this. Da-na-na-na. Oh my god, EXP. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, awesome. Random video game. Awesome R. I'm just gonna put my initials A, awesome R, G, N. How do I free play? Free play. Free play. Oh, it's also art. What the freak? Quit lagging. Lag. Hold on. Sorry guys, I had to do that again, so I'm reloading it. Well, hopefully I won't have to go through the tutorial again. Did this like a lot of lag. Oh, I did it, 'cause I'm awesome. Going around sticky bomb paper. Vehicle control can be modified in the pause and settings screens. This might be a while too. Oh. What did I just do? Wait a minute, why isn't it in the corner? Huh? Get back here. Oh, never mind. Let's do this. Well, I'm eliminated, alright. Where is it? Boom! Boom! I'm out. I'm wanna go find a helicopter? Come at me, little man. Oh! Ooh, there's a jetpack like right over there. I just saw it like 5 minutes ago. Get out. Go get that jetpack. Is there a helicopter? Ooh. Ooh! Come at me. Hey, come back. I wanna be your friend. What the freak? Hey, don't you walk away from me. No. No. For you retards. You cannot escape. What you want? Run! Oh God, she's gotta go fly. Is there a helicopter somewhere? Come on, bro. Helicopter. Oh, crap. Ah. You want a battle? Boy. Hey, dude. I'm out. Is there a helicopter? Notify me. Is there a helicopter? Old man. Old man, I need your help, old man. Yeah, old man. Yeah, you better be running. That's what I thought. Oh, God. Is there a helicopter I can drive? Oh, fly. Helicopter, man. Where is you, helicopter? Ooh, there's another side of town. I did not know that. Play in the water because the way people can swim. Ah! Ugh. Do. Yeah. Oh no! Helicopter! I respect you. Not! Hey, what the heck? Oh, that's it, dude. China this. Yeah. Go, China. Helicopter! Oh. Hey, bro. Hey, dude. Duck. Get over here. Ooh, that is a lot of money. Come on, yo. Where's my heli? Where was the famous helicopter? See, it used to be like right here. I think it was right here first, right? There's gotta be a helicopter. I'ma search the whole city for a helicopter. What is that? Oh God. This was a bad idea! Ah! No, 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 no! Hey, dude. Hey, die. Oh God, they're after me. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, ooh, Wheezy. Get the car. Da, 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 da. Oh, I forgot. Motorcycle, motorcycle, motorcycle. Motorcycle. This is mine, Lou. What's up, boys? You see me bowling, hating. I'm gonna drop the bass. Woo! Hey, no. Come on, mister. Yes! I did it. I'm a good man. You can't catch me. Hi, doggy. I'm just gonna roam around. Run around is fun. Not gonna stop running around till my... Oh God! What the? What the? What was that? Why you will? No. Now you're gonna pay. Oh God! That guy's got a baseball bat. Why do you have a baseball bat? I can drive a bulldozer. Oh, bulldozer! You know what? After I drop this bulldozer, this episode's over. Yes! Ah! I feel so alive. No one can stop this bulldozer. Woo! Oh, road damage. Wait a minute, can I? No, I'm gonna test. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna freaking test it. Ooh, sorry, civilian. Dang it, I can't do stuff. Alright, this episode's over. Bye, guys.